Yo, what up? Hi, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you my design of Android smartphone remote control car. Trust me, it has brains. First of all, this is based on Arduino platform, and I use 298N chip as motor drive. HCSR04 is ultrasonic distance sensor. DHT11 is temperature sensor. Here is the Bluetooth key. This is a smartphone, and here is the RC toy part. Here is smartphone. Click on the application named video receiver. Now you'll see the scan for devices. Click on that. See E2. E2 is actually the name I put onto my Bluetooth module. Choose E2. Now it's connecting. Okay, after connected, it will show the press OK to start. Then press OK. Then you'll see a 0 start of motion. It's pretty funny. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, so right now I start off, it's time for a driving test. Forward, backward, right turn, step up brake, brake off. There's also another function called cruise. Right there, cruise. So when I click on the cruise on, it will show two options. One is normal, another is slow. See, this is normal, slow, normal, slow. Yes. Yeah. Actually, it's easy to figure out what's the difference between the speed. Slow is the slow, normal, make it faster, and also it will show you the distance. See on the right, on the left part of the screen, the 59 cm. So 59 cm is actually the items or some stuff in front of the car. Means, and 28 C is temperature right now. I choose Celsius. Since so many interferences to the ultrasonic sensor, so that's why I cannot test that in the power room. I have to put it in the living room, because right here the environment is so quiet and silent. But the infrared of distance sensor is a better choice. I will try it on my next design, but for right now, I only can test the HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor. See the bottom called avoidance. Click on that. There you go. See the three options: 20, 40, 60. The unit cm, and the 20, which means any items in front of the car within 20 cm, the car will stop automatically. And there also a alert on the phone. Okay, let me show how to work. Let's choose 20. Yeah, it worked. To turn off the alert, either just remove the item in front of the car, or click on the avoidance to off, choose parking on, then off. Yes, and here, let me show you another example. For example, just let car go straight. Then choose cruise on to off to on. Then select speed of normal, slow, normal, slow, normal. Okay. And click on the avoidance to on. Choose how about 40. Okay. Yeah, that's how it works. This time, I'll show you how to transfer an image from the video sender to the video receiver. this smartphone is a video sender, and this smartphone I use it as a video receiver, but actually it's a remote controller also. So I start up the application called the video sender, and there you'll see the please input IP address. And, the address is as the same with the one on the video receiver. So both two smartphones, they should be connected into the same LAN line, which means it has to be the internet connected, but those two phones have to be connected into the same router. So the IP address here is 192.198.1.183. Let's put this here. And after connected successfully, the flower was there, the image will transfer exactly to here. Click on connecting. Okay, there we go.